Hey everyone, welcome back to Xcalian Chronicles. Today, we're going to take a look at Wi-Fi 4, or IEEE 802.11n. Released in 2009, Wi-Fi 4 marked a big upgrade over its predecessor and laid the groundwork for future Wi-Fi advancements. Let's explore what made Wi-Fi 4 such a significant step forward. Wi-Fi 4 operates on both the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequency bands. By supporting two bands, it helps reduce congestion and interference. The 2.4 GHz band is great for range, while the 5 GHz band provides faster speeds with less interference, especially in busy environments. One of the key features of Wi-Fi 4 is its maximum bandwidth of 600 megabits per second. This was a huge improvement over Wi-Fi 3, offering much faster speeds for activities like streaming HD videos and downloading large files. Wi-Fi 4 uses 64 QAM or quadrature amplitude modulation, which increases the amount of data that can be transmitted in each signal, improving speed and efficiency compared to older standards. Wi-Fi 4 also supports channel widths of 20 MHz and 40 MHz. The wider the channel, the more data can flow through at once, which means faster internet speeds, especially in less congested environments. When it comes to spatial streams, Wi-Fi 4 supports up to 4 streams. Spatial streams allow for more data to be sent simultaneously, improving performance, especially when multiple devices are connected to the same network. Wi-Fi 4 uses OFDM, orthogonal frequency division multiplexing, which is a method of transmitting data on different frequencies, allowing more efficient use of available bandwidth and reducing interference. So, what does all this mean for you? Wi-Fi 4 brought faster speeds, greater efficiency, and improved range compared to previous standards, making it ideal for HD streaming, online gaming, and general internet use. To sum it up, Wi-Fi 4, IEEE 802.11n, was a major upgrade when it was released, offering faster speeds, improved range, and greater efficiency. Even though newer standards like Wi-Fi 5 and Wi-Fi 6 have since been introduced, Wi-Fi 4 is still widely used and offers reliable performance for everyday tasks. Let me know in the comments if you're still using Wi-Fi 4 or if you've upgraded to a newer standard. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching.